Let's make a Pina Colada Old Fashioned. Hi, I'm Jared. Welcome to Kill-Divill, where we focus on rum and cocktails. Today we are going to make a Pina Colada Old Fashioned. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're returning to the channel, welcome back. In either case, I hope you enjoy this drink. I originally got this recipe from my friend Vino over at the Progress Bar. He made an original Pina Colada Old Fashioned and a version 2.2, and my version is based on his 2.2. I'm not saying it's better, but this is what I'm making. If you want to check out his recipe, I'll put a link down below so you can go check it out. A note on the rum. This drink calls for 3 different rums. You need a pineapple rum. I'm going to be using Plantaray, which used to be Plantation. Coconut rum. I'm going to be using Rum Haven, and I've only got this big honking bottle, which is why it's down on the shelf below, on the bar top below. He also specifies an aged Puerto Rican rum. I'm not going to be using aged Puerto Rican. I'm going to be going a slightly different route and be using some Jamaican. So I'm using Smith & Cross. The critical things to note is that you need a pineapple rum and you need a coconut rum. If you know how to fat wash a rum with coconut milk, and I do have a recipe for that here on the channel, link will be down below. This would be a great drink to try that in. I'm fresh out, so that's why I'm using the Rum Haven. In any case, if you find a winning combination, let me know what it is in the comments down below. Recently, I've been told that the best way to make a cocktail is to start with the least expensive ingredients first. So that's what I'm going to try tonight, even though I haven't done the math on it. Let's start with our bitters. 2 drops, or more drops if you want. Maybe I'm going to do a whole dash of my bitters. Vino does specify tiki bitters. I'm using Jamaican No. 2 from Bitter Cube, and I'm just doing a dash, a dropper full. Next, pineapple syrup. I'm going to make my, but I do make my own pineapple syrup. We need 1 bar spoon, which is 5 millimeters, which is 1 teaspoon of your pineapple syrup. Link for my recipe will be in the description down below. That's right there. Then, and I don't know how these prices compare for the rums, so I'm just going to do them. 3/4 of an ounce of your pineapple rum. 3/4 of an ounce is 22.5 milliliters. 3/4 ounce of your coconut rum, and make sure you do your bicep curls if you're using a bottle this big. 3/4 of an ounce is 22.5 milliliters. Let's see if I can do this. Grip strength, don't fail me now. It's the only size bottle I could find when I was shopping for coconut rums. I have trouble justifying buying another bottle until I use this thing up, especially since the cap won't go back on. Then 1/2 ounce, 15 milliliters of your rum. And in this case, for me, it's a Jamaican, Smith & Cross. For Vino's recipe, it would be a Puerto Rican aged. 1/2 ounce, 15 milliliters. Did I say that? I hope so. Now I'm going to get some ice. Now that I have ice, I'm going to add that to the mixing glass and give it a stir. And a Vino wink. Now I am going to double strain this. Oh, before I double strain this, I'm going to get 1 more piece of ice. I do have silicone molds with skulls, which I love. Thank you from Will, a gift from my friend Will. I'm going to pull the ice out of here. I'll be with you in just a moment. And I don't know if you can tell, but my ice cube is pink. That's because I'm using coconut water, organic coconut water. And this is in the recipe, coconut water ice cube. I'm going to wipe off my hands quick. Now I am going to strain, and I'm going to double strain because my coconut syrup is made from a pulp, so that it has a little bit of floating bits. So I'm going to double strain over my ice. And garnish. We're going to use a pineapple leaf. Tuck that in there. And then we've got this fancy little orange spiral with a cherry on it. But I almost forgot. We need to express some orange on there as well. I went horizontal just in case you didn't know. Wipe. And discard this one. And there you have it. Pina Colada Old Fashioned. Drink with good spirits. Question of the day, what is the most interesting flavored old fashioned you've ever made or ever had? Let me know in the comments down below. Note there are ways to support the channel if you're so inclined. I have t-shirts available. If you want a t-shirt, you can have a t-shirt. All you have to do is contact me through any of the social media links down below. We'll make sure you get a t-shirt. And while you have the social media links, you might as well follow me or subscribe, whatever you do on those things. Finally, if you made it this far, give me a like, give me a subscribe, turn on notifications so you don't miss out on anything I do, and we'll see you next time. Cheers.